For most of us working full-time and blogging on the side, getting our niche website to that $1,000 per month mark is a pretty realistic goal to hit. That's what we think at least. With both my sites last month hitting $266, I'm fairly confident that I'll be able to hit that $1,000 a month mark pretty soon. That being said, it's most definitely easier said than done. So what is my exact strategy going to be to get my websites to that $1,000 per month mark? In the video today, then I'm going to break down things like the number of page views, the number of posts, and my general strategy in order to hit that $1,000 mark. Let's jump into it. The page views. So at present, my blog, i.e. the one blog that's actually bringing in significant amounts of money, hit around about 7,500 page views last month after about 1 year's worth of content. The site currently has around about 100 posts on it, most of which are still under 6 to 8 months old, so they still need a bit more time in order to bring in traffic and actually start ranking there. In total then, on this website, I'd say that there are probably only around about half or 55 posts in total that are actually currently ranking at the moment. Now in terms of earnings, last month this website brought in around about $92 from Zoic. However, the true amount of earnings from this website is likely to be a little bit higher because I do have some affiliate links on there that aren't accurately tracked. So let's call it $100. So doing the quick math, which genuinely isn't my strong suit, if my website currently has 7,500 page views and is bringing in $100, in order to hit that $1,000 per month mark, I need my website to hit 75,000 page views. Yeah, that's a lot. Now, thankfully, the older my blog gets, the more authority it will get, allowing me to compete on more competitive keywords. Now, if you're following my strategy along at home and you want to kind of implement the same kind of strategy, simply work out how many page views it takes your blog to hit $100 and then multiply it by 10 and you'll get your answer, hopefully. Seriously, my brain completely freezes when it comes to simple mathematics. I have no idea what's going on. The posts. So now that we know I need to hit 75,000 page views in order to hit that $1,000 per month mark, what does that mean in terms of actual number of posts on the website? Well, this is going to be quite a tricky one to track. I mean, hopefully, as I mentioned earlier on, the older my blog gets, the more authoritative it gets, allowing me to bring in more page views per post than I would kind of originally anticipate. On top of this, a lot of the posts that I've already written for the website haven't actually started the ranking process yet. And some of them might not even be indexing, which is definitely going to skew the numbers in a different way there as well. That being said, one of the things I've noticed when it comes to blogging is that it can be very, very easy to overestimate your results dependent on how other people are performing. You might think, hey, so-and-so is earning 5,000 page views per individual post, so that's a realistic thing to aim for, when in reality, as a beginner, yeah, good luck with that because that ain't gonna happen. As such, by overestimating the number of posts that you actually need on your website in order to hit and underestimating the number of page views each of these posts are gonna get, it's gonna hopefully make you feel rest assured that your math is as accurate as possible and your educated guess is as accurate as possible, because that's all this is at the end of the day. So how many new posts will my website need in order to get to that 75,000 page view per month mark? Well, according to Income School's Project 24, which is the fantastic course that I use in order to kind of help me out as a blogger, affiliate link in the description if you are interested in that, they recommend an average of 1,000 page views per blog post once it's had time to rank. Now, like a lot of you watching this, I'm still relatively new at that, and that number seems a little steep for how I'm progressing on my blogs. So I'm going to aim for a much more realistic number of 200 page views per blog post per month. Now, if you remove the 55 posts that are currently ranking, the 7,500 page views that those individual posts are bringing in, it means that my website needs to bring in 67,500 additional page views per month. Dividing this number then by 200 means that I need an additional 338 posts on my website in order to get to that $1,000 per month mark. Oh man, why do I do this to myself? It's going to be a lot of late nights, isn't it? The overall strategy. Right, so in order to hit that $1,000 per month mark, I need 337/338 posts, if you want to be accurate, on the website. So are there any shortcuts that we can do to either speed up the process or make us not have to write that many blog posts? The truth is, hopefully, I don't think I'm going to have to write 338 new posts. This is mainly due to a few factors. Firstly, my website is currently on Zoic at the moment, but the more page views my blog gets every single month, the more I'll be able to earn either through Zoic Premium or through ad partners like Mediavine, for example. Secondly, despite a couple of affiliate links here and there that bring in maybe around $10 per month, the site doesn't really have affiliate links on it, which means increasing the number of affiliate links on the website just going to get the website to a point where hopefully 30 to 50% on a good day of the income of the website will come directly through affiliate. Finally, as I mentioned, my website, as it grows, will become more and more authoritative, which just basically means that I'll be able to rank on much more competitive terms. For example, targeting keywords like how much does a BMW cost wouldn't make a lot of sense when your domain authority is around 10, but could be something you could potentially target once you get over that 20 to 30 domain authority rank, which hopefully my websites will do. Now, another key factor that we haven't talked about really here today has been just updating my content as we go along. After about a year or so, my posts will hopefully have had enough time to rank and get to their final position in Google. And let's say if they haven't reached the top 1 or 2 spaces on Google, I can go back in there, re-edit those posts and try to increase their overall ranking. This too then should hopefully increase the overall amount of traffic these posts are bringing in and also increase the number of earnings there as well. Now, with all that said, the reason I want to stick to that 338 post mark and that 200 page views per post mark is just simply because it's very, very realistic. The last thing I want to do is say, yeah, it's only going to take me another 100 posts or take you 100 posts in order to hit that 100,000 page view mark, because let's be honest, for every one person that does that, there's about 9 or 10 that probably don't, right? And it takes them a little bit longer. And hopefully by setting up this YouTube channel and showing you what the realities are of setting up a blog whilst you are working full time, gives you a little bit more insight in terms of how much work is actually required in order to be successful in this space. Blogging family, leave a comment down below. Let me know your thoughts on if this strategy is a good one to follow. As always, if you're interested in more videos around business, side hustles, blogging, and of course anything else, absolutely smash the like and subscribe button, as it really does help out the channel. And until the next one, I'll be sure to see you soon. Have a good one. Bye for now.